Refined oleic acid IV130 application areas. Refined oleic acid IV130 plays a critical role across numerous industries. 1. Coatings industry. SOFA IV130 is used to produce alkyd resin coatings, which can shorten reaction time, reduce costs, and endow coatings with excellent gloss, hardness, and weather resistance. It is widely applied in marine coatings, automotive coatings, motorcycle coatings, furniture, architectural decoration, etc. 2. Daily chemical industry. SOFA IV130 is used for synthesizing surfactants, which feature excellent cleaning, emulsifying, and dispersing properties. They are widely used in detergents, cleaners, cosmetics, and other products. 3. Plastics industry. Oleic acid IV130 significantly improves the flexibility and plasticity of plastics, facilitating smooth processing and molding. It is widely used in the production of polyvinyl chloride PVC and other plastic products. Additionally, it participates in synthesizing engineering plastics, enhancing their strength, heat resistance, and chemical corrosion resistance to meet high-performance requirements in various industrial fields. 4. Textile industry. In the wool textile industry, it is used to prepare anti-static agents and lubricating softeners, effectively reducing static electricity during textile processing and use while endowing textiles with better softness and hand feel. 5. Chemical fiber industry. SOFA IV130 plays a role in synthetic fiber production, improving the texture, luster, and strength of synthetic fibers. For example, it is used as a raw material in nylon fiber manufacturing. 6. Wood industry. It is used to prepare water-resistant paraffin emulsions, enhancing the waterproof performance of wood, improving its resistance to humid environments, and extending its service life. 7. Metal processing industry. As a basic raw material for metal cutting fluids, it enhances the lubricity and cooling performance of cutting fluids, reducing friction and wear between tools and workpieces, and improving machining accuracy and surface quality.